Whilst the mobile form wizard is likely to be the way that you start to optimize your forms for use on a mobile device, if you want to make modifications to an optimized form, you can do this directly in the mobile designer. In this tutorial, we will take a quick tour of the mobile designer, which is opened when a mobile version already exists. The look and feel is similar to the normal form designer, with the navigation panel on the left, the properties panel on the right, and the drawing canvas in the centre. If you are looking to add or remove sections or objects, click the button in the navigation panel, and the mobile design wizard will be reopened to allow you to perform that function. To move sections on the page, click in the section header and drag with your mouse. Form, section and object margins can also be managed from this view. Styles can also be managed for sections and objects too. From the Edit menu, you may reset the mobile design. This function will undo all mobile design settings, allowing you to start over again.